We are discussing the theoretical backgrounds to define actions, action situations, arenas, participants, and so on. But it's always going to be about goods, common goods as we call them, or the commons. And the goods are defined, in terms of their typologies. You have private goods, which only the owners can access. You have public goods, which is open to all. But you also have exclusivity kind of goods where if somebody uses it, then another person cannot use it. It could be concert tickets, for example. You buy a concert ticket, there is the ticket needed to get in, but there are limited number of seats, so it's some sort of an exclusivity. But you can think of many such examples, and there are subtractable goods, which means one person uses it, won't be available to another person. And the example in the book is about gasoline. You go to the pump and you pump gasoline into your car and you burn it. Once you take it, it's not available to somebody else, so it's subtracted from the pool of resources. And then there are, of course, common pool resources like roads. That's also used as an example in the book, where roads are constructed by the government, and government collects money from people as taxes, and taxes go into infrastructure such as roads. But not everybody may be paying tax because of poverty or whatever else. So even those who didn't pay tax can use the road. So it's kind of a common pool resource. It's not exclusive and it's not subtractable. Plus, also, you can think of Wikipedia, where there is no subtractability. For example, thousands of people can keep using it and it will still be there, right? So you get the sense that there are also club goods, for example, where to access maybe a golf course or a beach, you have to be a member to fish in a certain place. So there is a club, there's a membership, and some rules exist on who can buy membership and who can join the club, and so on and so forth. So slowly we will transition this into how actions, participants, action arenas, action situations begin to map onto the different types of goods, so that we can eventually come to public goods, common pool resources, and how they interact with other types of goods, and how we can think of sustaining the commons in the overall institutional analysis. So this is all still happening in the framework of the institution. And remember, institution is just a framework where at least two people are interacting. It's not brick and mortar, it's the institution framework, right?